Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirit wants us to take care. Things are not working out exactly the way we're expecting it to. There is a stabilizing influence coming into your life, and they say something you're doing is going to bring you clarity and insight very soon. They want you to do something nice for yourself. Control your anger, otherwise, you will be sorry. It's time for healing, not war. It's time for you to take time out and do a bit of soul searching. They say that to get along with others, see the love and the best within them. You are highly thought of in the heavens, and they can see that you are getting stronger after long times of deliberating. They say a mystical journey is about to begin. You must prepare yourself. You deserve only the best. An arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. You need to detach from this person and move forward with positive confidence in your own self. There is a happy surprise coming to you. They say something very good is about to happen for you. Um, Things didn't always go your way, but you have always been looked after and been protected and given a helping hand from your angels and spirit guides. There is a powerful transformation in store, and you have to embrace it. Surround yourself with love. They say someone is behaving stupidly, bringing deception and delays and making your emotions up and down. Um, but you are being divinely guided. They say you have already got the answers within you. And the angels say, work with others to make this situation come about. Your loved ones say you must open your arms to receiving. There is financial healing. Your money struggles are a thing of the past. Be open to all avenues of receiving, and you'll be provided for every day. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.